Welcome to Nowa Huta, the second largest utopia settlement built by the communist government in Eastern Bloc countries in the two post-war decades. And we are starting our experience of this fantastic neighborhood from its central square. Guess what? About 30 years ago, here was one very important statue. Vladimir Lenin was here up until 1989.
Today the square bears the name of Ronald Reagan, a symbol of the political changes that reshaped Poland. The most representative apartment blocks for the local elite, designed in the socialist realist style, were built here between the late 1940s and the mid-1950s. The elites lived with a view of Vladimir Lenin. The Alley of Roses is one of the district's main avenues. During the socialist period, the most important public parades were held here.
It feels like life stopped here at some point in the early 1980s, when people could still go to that milk bar or stolove, which means canteen, to get a hot meal.
Urban planning played a crucial role in socialist realist towns. Apartment blocks were designed with spacious courtyards behind the buildings, parks were plentiful, and streets were broad. The district offered cultural clubs, libraries, schools, and theaters for residents, all built for people.
So the socialist architects, commissioned by the communist government, really planned on creating here a socialist paradise for workers and peasants who would support the communist government. They built Nowa Huta with wide sidewalks and broad avenues, with grander socialist realist buildings for the elite and, well, less shabby ones for the common people, with the grocery stores and supermarkets, with the movie theaters and people's theaters, with the kindergartens, schools and hospitals. But they didn't plan on building one thing here.
The people's fight for religious rights began when Nowa Huta residents built a wooden cross. And the first church was eventually built in the 1970s. Today Nowa Huta boasts more than 25 churches and chapels. Another local specialty is street art, which definitely adds modern vibe to the district.
Let's not waste our time, let's start exploring.